Okay, so if you are still not convinced a Google Ads video audit is for you, let me give you a perfect example. I often say that we can save operators up to 40% of their ad budget. Now, that's not always the case, but I'm going to show you the case where that's 100% the case. So this is an audit that I did. You're not going to see the name of the customer or any of their personal info. Obviously, I'm only going to show you a piece of this video audit. This was actually one of the shortest ones I've ever done, and it was like about 6 minutes. You can probably see at the bottom there. And I found several things, but the one thing that I kind of highlighted and I'm showing you here is one of the biggest findings. And it's in my opinion, such a minor thing that most agencies should be able to find, but don't always find, just to be completely honest with you. In this case, there was an agency involved. And it's basically about $16,000 coming from Google Search Partners. So if you don't know what Google Search Partners is, it's basically Google's place that they get you traffic from other search engines like AOL.com and all those other non-Google properties, okay? And typically what you find is there's a lot of spam. Now, in this particular case, if you haven't noticed it, if you look right over here, it shows there's $48,000 in conversion value, in revenue, okay? That's typically a pretty good thing. They spent $16,000, they got $48,000 back. And compared to Google Search, which you see right here, where they spent $19,000 and they only got $12,000 back, you'd be like, holy crap, this is doing amazing. We should do more of this. And that's exactly what Google was doing for them, except for one thing. This isn't real revenue. So what they did was they were assigning value to leads, okay? And doing that is not necessarily a bad thing per se, but if you're not able to check the quality of the leads, that can be a problem. So in this particular case, because I dug into the conversion tracking during the audit, and I also kind of confirmed this with the customer in this case, I was able to find that they were getting a ton of spam leads, a ton of junk leads, which I know come from search partners most of the time. If you're doing an e-commerce transaction, this was real revenue, we would have no problem here, right? Because money is hitting your bank account. That's great. No problem at all. But in this particular case, you can see they spent $36,000 in this particular period of time. This is, I think, a couple months. And about $16,000 of it, so roughly 40%, was basically a total waste. And it wasn't just a total waste in that, okay, we spent $16,000 and we got bad leads. The other side of this coin is Google's AI is being trained, because of how this was done, to find more people like this. So that means more budget will start going to these spam leads. And this is exactly why a Google Ads video audit, like I'm talking about, will help you uncover some of this. Now, I can't guarantee, I pray that you do not have this big of a problem, but there's almost always some things that just go unnoticed. And sometimes it's not this dramatic. It could be less. That's probably better for you. And you might even find that, hey, you're doing pretty darn good. So that's a good thing to feel good about as well, is that you really don't have huge problems. But a Google Ads video audit can help you with that. And also, again, it's just good to get another pair of eyes, because if you don't know where to look, or maybe you've looked at this, or maybe your agency has done this, and you get very partial with your own work sometimes. You get blinded to your own work when you're an agency. Sometimes it's good to have another set of eyes to review things. But in this case, again, you could see right here, 40% of the budget is roughly wasted, and we're talking tens of thousands of dollars. We're not talking $500. So if you're thinking about a Google Ads audit, this is not enough to convince you there's probably some meat in the bone. Well, I'll probably do another video and maybe that'll convince you. Anyway, take care. God bless. And if you want to get an audit, probably check somewhere on this page, click somewhere, you'll be able to see if it's the right fit for you. Take care.